Make sure the lights are off for full reveal. This is not the track key cold start. Still sounds good though. Oh yes. It is significantly brighter.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bang, play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. I'm Matt again here with another Boss 302 video. We got a pretty cool video here. One I've been meaning to do for probably about 2.5 months at least. But if you've been watching the channel lately, you knew that the Boss 302 was down. Like, I wasn't driving it at all or really working on it because it had a coolant leak, and I just didn't want... I hated smelling coolant burning on the engine, guys. It really drives me nuts and it makes a big mess. So I decided just to leave it parked until I was able to get it fixed, get the warranty from Mishimoto, get it taken care of. But today, so I want to give a shout out to Boslla for sending us these Bullet B1s for the Boss 302. I've been meaning to upgrade my headlights to LEDs for some time now, so this is a great opportunity for me, and I really appreciate them sending it out to me, and I apologize, Boslla, for not getting this video done sooner, but we're going to give an honest review of my take on these headlights. I've been meaning to upgrade the lights for a while now. The headlight housings I have in there right now actually have spider cracks, and I've got brand new ones from not brand new ones, but new to me, that are in better shape in a box that I'm going to swap on at some point. But it's a good opportunity to test out these LEDs. That way I don't have to worry about heat stress or anything on my new lenses. We'll just throw it on here and I'll just see how they work. So I'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing of these things. So it comes in a very, very sturdy packaging, nice box. And open them up. Oh, well cushioned in here. Got a product manual, and you got the two headlights here. Now, pulling it out straight up, there's metal construction, which is pretty nice, possibly aluminum. And what I'm noticing is there's an internal built-in fan for cooling. Now it's going to be interesting running these things for a while to see how long that fan lasts before it burns out. But for the price of these things, you know, they're relatively cheap. I'll put the link down in the description below. You know, for the price of these things, you're getting a heck of a deal. And so I'm interested to throw these on the car, and you know, we'll see how these look. Lucky for you guys, I just installed a new radiator, so I've already taken off my radiator cover. It's sitting over there on top of one of the mini bosses. So that's the first thing you have to do is remove that. That's pretty much like the main step. I'm gonna get my headlamp real quick. You guys should pick up one of these headlamps, it's pretty sweet. And then the next part's real easy. You go down there to the headlight itself. You want to make sure you're taking the actual headlight, and this wire right here is super in the way and inconvenient, so it's way back here and you have to twist it to get it out. So you're going to twist it counterclockwise, and you should get the old headlight bulb out super easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to push down this tab real hard, and then it should deconnect. It's super simple. Is we're going to plug the new one right in. Should go right in. Yep, clicks right in. And then I believe we're going to try and keep this wire at the 6 o'clock position. So you imagine you got to turn it clockwise. So you're going to put it in, and then you're going to turn it down to 6 o'clock. Alright guys, so we got the bulb in, and as you can see, it's not perfectly lined up. But what we're going to do is we're going to adjust it a little bit. We'll mess around with it to get it lined up once we get the other one installed. Alright, so been another day. Had to wait for the weather to clear up. We're going to pull the Boss out, and we're going to test these lights out. We'll compare the LED to the halogen just to see how much brighter it is. Then I'll throw the second one in, and we'll get the full illumination. Make sure the lights are off for the full reveal. This is not the track key cold start. Still sounds good though. Oh yes. We shut the garage door. Let's turn these lights on. There they are. Oh wow. Alright, as you can see, look out, Maddox. As you can see, the LED side is at least twice as bright as the halogen side. It is significantly brighter. I mean, it's pretty bright, but that is really bright. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and install the other one. Yeah, that definitely looks a heck of a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and line up the lights right now. Honestly, they're not too bad. I might need to adjust one. Just the right one down a smidge. All you gotta do is twist it a little. The only thing I truly won't be able to speak to is the duration and the life, the survivability of these lights. But I really like the way they look, so I'd like to thank Boslla for sending them out to me. And yeah, I think I recommend them, guys, for the price. They're very reasonably priced. We're gonna have the link down below for you guys if you want to go pick some up. Definitely check them out, guys. Appreciate it for sending it out. This is an upgrade I've been meaning to do in my car for a long time, to put LEDs on it and kind of modernize the headlight look. I definitely like the cold white look over the warm white. Definitely makes the Boss look a little more modern, you know. That's gonna do it for today's episode of Brailsford Rides. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. It helps the channel out, helps us grow. Say drop a like. Drop a like. Drop a like. That's gonna do it for today. I don't got anything else for you guys. Say bye. Bye. Smack it. Yeah, I caught it. Alright guys, this is delayed for a second because I caught a lizard. You can see his tail. It was on my car. We're gonna let him out. Yeah, hold on. Hurry up, come here. Hurry. Maddox wants to see the lizard. Come here. Ready? Here he goes. Get out of here, this lizard. Yeah, it was over. Today's gonna be a good day. Set your